Julie here. I'm filling in for Professor Sprout today, and we are going to learn how to plant some grass seed and decorate some really cool pots to put our seed in. So the first thing that you're going to need is your pot, some paint, a paintbrush, a cup with some water in it, your soil, and your grass seed. So the first thing we're going to do is paint your pot. You can decorate your pot however you want. I made mine with a badger on it, and then an H for Hufflepuff, and I put some flowers on the back. My friend made the Hogwarts seal on theirs. You guys can decorate your pot however you want. Once your pot is done, you're going to take your bag of soil, very carefully open it so we don't make too big of a mess. You're going to take your pot and make sure you put your finger over the hole in the bottom so all that soil doesn't leak out. And we're going to put some soil in the pot. Now, if you guys notice, I did not fill the pot up all the way. I'm going to put it on this little stand right here, so that way I don't have to keep holding the bottom. And I'm going to put in my grass seed. So we do this so that we can cover the grass seed with some more soil. So you're going to take your grass seed, sprinkle it in. Then we're going to take and cover our soil the rest of the way. A little bit more. Try not to make too big of a mess. And there you have your grass seed in your pot. So you're going to take some water. This is our leftover water that you should have used to clean your brush in between painting. Some water to it. Be careful because it'll leak out the bottom. Woo! All right. And then in a couple of days, you guys will have your very own potted plant, just like Professor Sprout in her greenhouse. All right, I hope you guys have so much fun making this craft at home and enjoy the rest of the Minicon events. Bye!